a spider web. That is a spider web. And Haley just ran through here like nothing. There. Okay, so we're outside today, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean out the car. It's called
Mom.
What's in Your Car?
Mom.
It's been a good bit since I haven't cleaned it, so with these girls, I don't know what's there. So let's find out. Haley, what's in the car? What stuff have you left in the back seat of the car?
I don't even know.
You guys, subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to my mom's channel.
Really, can you bring me that, please?
Huh?
Can you bring me that?
Oh my gosh. Alright, let's see. If you guys think this is gross, it is gross. Because
Ooh.
it's just gross.
Keep it there. Keep it there.
Oh,
Yeah.
look what we found. The phone that we've been looking for the past month.
Keep it under the brakes. Ooh, get it there. Ooh. Ding, ding, ding.
We have, oh my gosh, I've been driving like this, Haley, with a damn Saxby's cup with drink inside of it, and it hasn't even fallen. I promise you, I've been driving like this for a while.
Look at this bunker that I love.
Well, that I just bought yesterday. Move.
Ooh, a taxi.
Alright, so I think we really need to get a trash bag. That is so bad. Okay. Notice one thing. Haley sits right there. And Kaylee sits right here. And it's impossible that Kaylee's side is so clean. Look at this. To me, this is clean. There's nothing here.
There's something.
No, that's your dad's. I'm pretty sure that Kaylee gets everything and throws it to her sister's side. And let's see what's on the sister's side. Move.
Mama.
Open the door to the other side, please. Oh my gosh. Okay. Here, hold this so we can put the trash in here. We have a cup
That's Kaylee.
that we can wash. Another cup. Lee, vienes a chinga. Nail stuff. Open it. Hot Cheetos with Hot Cheetos inside. Oh, what a waste. What a waste.
That's mine.
No, this doesn't work anymore. Open it. Oh, wait. Let me see. I'm going to see if these are stale. It's been a month.
Yeah, it's been long time.
That's not good.
What? It tastes good or bad?
Do you want to taste it?
No.
No, exactly.
It tastes good or bad?
It tastes bad.
It
Crazy.
tastes like.
Oh my gosh. This is ice cream from like 2 weeks ago.
Like we got from my mom's dress.
2 weeks ago, yes.
Yeah. Bad boy, baby.
This is not even ours. I don't know what it's doing here.
It's Charlie's.
Whatever. See, I told you. This is Kaylee's.
Don't throw in the garbage.
Ooh. I'm still... So, let's keep going. Another ice cream, which I really want some ice cream right now. Water bottle, which I don't even know if that works.
And another bag of chips that is trash. And we got water.
Open.
And we got water.
More chips, water. Whose water is that?
And it's for my dad.
Well, why don't you give it to him?
Give me 1, 2, 1, 3. Now my side's clean.
No, it's not. Okay, let's see what else is here. Oh my gosh.
Checker.
Checker, since when?
When it was my doctor appointment, when I checked out.
Yes. That was like a month ago.
Guys, look at my chair. There's glitter.
There is glitter. Okay, let's see what else is here. Oh my gosh, what the hell? What?
Big fat stuff.
Trash.
No, that was from the 15.
It doesn't even work. This is from the party since like 3-4 months ago. Trash. What the hell is this?
I want to make trash in your cup. I want to make mess in your cup.
No, that's not good. Okay, so we said this is not ours. Some coins.
There you go.
Oh, this is trash. This is candy.
Yeah, that was like a mango. Like
Here, open your mouth.
No.
Open your mouth.
Ew. Oh my gosh.
What?
That's ants.
No, there's no ants in here.
Yeah, there is. That's ants. From last one that we ew.
Toy.
Spider from that wood that I just did. Remember? Oh guys. And I just went to a spider web.
Mommy, they know.
I don't even understand. Stuff in the floor. Stuff in the floor. I just burped at my boo. Here, Mom.
Okay, this is jewelry that I sell. Anybody wants to buy some, they're $5 a piece with their earrings, their matching earrings included. More coins. And Haley, she loves to color. Okay, moving on to this little princess's seat. Okay, so I got that at the discount store. $1.72 each. Anyways. Oh, look, the Addict 2 Hot Cheetos. What do we have here? One bag of Hot Cheetos with
and another bag with
water.
Hot Cheetos.
Is it water?
Another bag with Hot Cheetos.
And they don't work. Just a waste. Super waste. A cup with, oh my gosh, this is like 2 months old.
No, that was when I got strawberry.
Like
Grandma.
2 months ago.
Strawberry with grandma.
Like 2 months ago, girl.
Oh yeah, and there's stuff in my cake. Look what they have.
What the? Oh my gosh, Haley. Wait.
Look what Kaylee put.
No,
Just-
those are yours.
No.
Well, that looks clean. Let's see this side.
No, there's
Oh, this looks really dirty.
no, there's a little bit.
Oh, this looks even more dirty, you nasty
There's
little
a little
girl.
bit stuff in this side.
This is the front. This is for the bus driver. I think what she's doing is she's collecting these for the kids with cancer. So, just gonna leave this here.
Ooh. Yay.
All right, it, and you're gonna vacuum this part. Come on. Turn on. Rev it.
No.
Or Chad is gonna eat you.
No.
Turn it on.